So, where are we, Kyle?
We are in our garage, Rod's
Yeah.
garage, cleaning
Yeah.
carbs.
Doing some work on some shelving here that were there, but we have a new toy. Tell us about the new toy, Braden.
30-liter ultrasonic cleaner. And it sounds angry when you turn it on. Let's turn it off for a second here. Anyway, like a taser. And we've got a lot of carburetors through auction, and we just ripping through them. And so
Yeah. So, beforehand, kind of, your typical Grand G carburetor, right? Or something like that, right? And then afterwards, look how clean and pristine inside.
that's no scrubbing. That's just
No scrubbing at all.
throwing it in.
Just working away at it. So that's pretty cool. And in the process, we did some carb identification. Those are two tunnel ram carburetors. So that's pretty cool. So, and we're going to keep going on this and see what we're doing. And we also have a pile of blowers that we've got to find a home for too. So that's how we're doing.